Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Gmail emails to Google Takeout step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. Navigate to the Google Takeout website by entering takeout.google.com in the address bar. Once the page loads, sign in with your Google account if prompted. You will see a list of Google services from which you can export data. Scroll down to find Mail in the list. Uncheck the box next to Select All to deselect all services. Now, check the box next to Mail. Click on the All Mail Data Included link to specify which emails you want to backup. You can choose to backup all your emails or select specific labels. After making your selections, click the OK. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and click the Next Step button. On the next page, choose your preferred file type for the download. You can select between a .zip file or .tgz file format. Next, decide how often you want to export your emails. You can choose to create a one-time export or schedule exports every 2 months for a year. Select your preferred delivery method for the exported files. You can receive a download link via email or add the export to your Google Drive. Once you have made your choices, click on the Create Export button. The process may take some time, depending on the size of your mailbox. You will receive an email notification when your export is ready. Follow the link in the email to download your Gmail backup. Once downloaded, store the backup securely in a safe location. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.